So I've been trying to figure out what this recent news about people selling or buying or trading this uh, GameStop stock account is all about. Now, apparently, a lot of regular people bought some stocks, and then rich people uh, got lost a lot of money, and now they're complaining. So I've been looking at it and looking at it and trying to figure it out. I've asked people on the internet to explain it to me what's called Barney style, which is a word they use or a phrase they use in the Marines. Basically, I want Big Bird uh, to tell me what happened with this GameStop stock. So, GameStop is a company that sells video games. It's not actually that important. What happened was, so you've got a stock. You're a company that has stock. Now, the more people buy your stock, the higher the value gets. So, a bunch of regular people got onto a social media platform called Reddit, and they all decided together to buy all this GameStop stock. And so the more you buy the stock, the more it goes up. Now, look, a lot of rich people already own, let's say you're a rich person, a million stocks of GameStop at $8 a share. So you've got $8 million of GameStop. So now the internet comes along, regular people, they buy. It suddenly becomes worth $3,000 instead of $8. Then what do? They all sold it at the same time. And the more you sell stocks, the lower the value of the stock becomes. So now, once they sell all their stocks, now the stock is worth $2. So basically, if you are a rich person that owned $8 million of GameStop, you now only have $2 million. You've lost $6 million because a bunch of regular people on the internet decided to get together, buy, and then sell at the same time. And now all of these rich people are saying, oh, this is cheating. Oh, this is bad. Oh, how could they get away with this? But this is the same thing that rich people have been doing with the stock market forever, since the stock market existed. Now they're upset because the masses got together and took advantage of the same rules that the rich people have been taking advantage of since the beginning of time. That's my take. That's my best understanding of how this GameStop fiasco has worked.